Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, I just took a quick scalp trade for a buy. My software showed me that, but I came in on this trade late. I started this account with $250 so far. We have grown it up to the point we've made over $10,000 in withdrawal and over $46,000 in profit. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to continue to watch more scalping videos like this. The trade is still on. We're moving into profits. And yeah, I won't be doing a lot of streaming this week on my swing trade account. I'll be doing more of live streams where I give signals every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays during New York session. So you can join me there. Make sure you click like, share, and subscribe, and comment on this video for the engagement. And yeah, if you want to copy my trades, connect to my account, sign up with the link in description. Miracle Markets, the same broker that I'm using. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account. And yeah, send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Okay, we're moving into more and more profits. And yeah, you join to my account. We're moving into more and more profits, more and more profits. If you want to test this software that I'm using that's telling me when to buy, when to sell, doing all the analysis for me. Boom, there you go. Take profits hits, $160 in just a couple seconds. If you want to test my software, sign up in Miracle Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious about testing the software. And yeah, you get the software to use for free for 2 weeks. You can also send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram with proof of that. Remember, if you want to join me live, okay, we're going to be taking live scalp trades, live swing trades while I'm teaching you. You get the software free. Also, go to hedgingmastermind.com to learn. And if you want to buy the course, okay, go to hedgingmastermind.com. With that being said, we'll be right back with another video when we're into more profits in the market. The market has been moving more, so we'll be seeing more big profits and yeah, some tiny scalp profits just like this. We haven't been making any big profits recently, just $200, $150, $50. Yeah, but the market is moving now. The last large profit we made was just about $1,000, but that was during news. But we'll be right back with more profits soon. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment to create more engagement. And if you have any questions, and we will see you soon.